In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open PDF in Microsoft OneNote. While OneNote isn't a traditional PDF reader, it gives you two practical ways to bring a PDF into your notes so you can view it, annotate it, or keep it handy for reference. I'll walk you through both options and help you choose the one that fits your workflow. First, let's use the method that feels most like opening the PDF inside OneNote, inserting it as a printout. Start by opening OneNote and navigating to the page where you want the PDF to live. At the top of the window, click Insert. Look for File Printout, which might also be labeled PDF Printout depending on your version. Select your PDF from your computer, then click Insert. OneNote will bring in each page of the PDF as an image placed directly on your note page. You can scroll through, see all the pages, and write or draw on top of them using OneNote's annotation tools. This approach is excellent for study notes, meeting handouts, or forms you want to mark up. Remember, it's not turning OneNote into a full PDF editor. The pages are imported as images, so you're annotating in OneNote, not editing the PDF itself. If your PDF is large, give it a moment to finish importing. And if the pages appear too big or small, just adjust your zoom level so you can comfortably read and write. Now, if you prefer to keep your note page clean without showing every page of the PDF, attach the file instead. Go to Insert, then choose File or Attach File. Pick your PDF and click Insert. This places a small file icon on your page. When you need the document, double-click the icon to open it in your computer's default PDF viewer. This is a great option when you just want the PDF stored with your notes, but viewed externally, or when the PDF is very long and you don't want to scroll through dozens of pages inside OneNote. A quick tip on choosing between the two. Use the printout method when you plan to annotate, highlight, or reference specific sections directly in your notes. Use the attachment method when you simply need to keep the file nearby without cluttering your page, or if you want to maintain the original PDF experience in a dedicated viewer. That's it. Two simple ways to work with PDFs in OneNote. Insert as a printout to view and annotate inside your notes, or attach the file to open it with your PDF app when needed. Choose the approach that keeps your notes clear, organized, and easy to use.